It's time for another experiment. Many of you may have seen the viral clips where they take strawberries and place them in water with salt, and after time passes, worms come out of the strawberries. We're going to try to debunk that and figure out if it's true or if it's false. The strawberries on the left are grown with pesticides. Pesticides prevent bugs from entering the fruits. There's a good chance that they may have little to no worms. The ones on the right are organic. They're grown organically, which could mean that there might be worms burrowed inside the strawberries. Today we're going to test them both out and see if any of them have worms. Let's add some water to both cups. Now let's add a bunch of salt. We're going to be using plain salt for this experiment. I made sure to add plenty of salt in each cup. Now I'm going to come back in 1 hour and see what it looks like. So it's been a little over an hour. We're going to take a look at both strawberries up close. It doesn't look like there's anything in it. I'm going to move them around to see if I can disturb it. So far, the strawberries that were grown with the pesticides look fairly normal. There's a couple floaters in there, but that's as expected. Doesn't look like there's any worms, unless those are microscopic worms. Now let's take a look at the organic strawberries. Staring at the strawberries from above, I don't see anything that looks odd. I do see several floaters. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. You see that floater? I don't know if that's just a particle or if that's some sort of creature. Check it out. You see it? We have some more of those things right here. You see them? And this is all before I disturb the strawberries. I still haven't flipped them yet. From the bottom, the cup looks pretty clean. So I see a lot more particles in this cup versus the other cup. I actually do see one from here where I'm standing, right here at the bottom of the cup. I don't know if you guys see it. You see it right there in the center of the screen? But I don't see anything as large or defined as those viral videos you see online. I'm gonna let this experiment sit for 1 more hour. The only difference is I'm gonna add a little bit of baking soda and vinegar to each cup. Now that they both have baking soda and vinegar, they're starting to bubble. So we're gonna let this sit for 1 hour so it could penetrate the strawberries and see if there's any difference. We waited another hour and we're gonna take a closer look. I don't really see anything out of the ordinary. Let's check out the organic ones. There's nothing moving around in there. There's no worms, no bugs, no larvae. I guess before you eat your strawberries, examine them thoroughly. And if you see any holes or any pitting where it looks like something burrowed inside the strawberry, you might want to open it up before eating it.